I wish, of course, it's gonna be a win. Shaman. Probably not. We just have to go with the Dark Pact. Imagine. Yeah, those kind of things. Setting big minions and pushing the face. I think this is for the wheels because we're drawing 2 with this, so it's fine. Jeez, this on turn 1 is so strong. It's so strong on turn 1. You're drawing 2, basically drawing 3, discarding 1, and yeah, for just 1 turn it's so strong. Shall I try again? Yeah. This can be like a good turn. Dark Alley for sure.
Job's done.
This is not gonna be that strong, right? Because there are Sargeras and the Formatas, so it's probably going with another... Oh, I don't have another Dark Alley Pact, so I have to look for some endgame. Yeah, in order to clear the things up. I'm not getting anything, right? Yeah, I have another Dark Alley Pact here. Okay, so I can look for it. Those fairy spirits, I like that.
Go with the flow.
Just looking for another table flip. You didn't play the spell, right? Okay. So maybe we have some... Okay, now we can have the end game. Am I looking for the table flip here? Yeah. Yeah, here's the wheel.
The storm is in me. The storm is in me.
Is he playing the 5-mana spell? Yeah, he's doing it. Yeah, he's playing the 5-mana. Yeah, but it's 5, so they're still alive. Maybe he have another one. Okay, so the fight is fine. Should we look for this one? Like 6 mana? Yeah.
Job done.
We hunger for vengeance.
He got his big turn. If he can kill us, there was nothing else we could do. Okay, so here we are. Sagera's turn. Should I go for taunts or should I go for spells? For absorbing them? Yeah, because with absorbing, he's not going to draw. But I'm taking this damage and I'm at 10. With the spell, there's the risk that I'm still taking this damage because of the 5 mana spells. They can be discounted. Now I'm going to absorb.
Following a falsehood. Job done.
Yeah, if he has it, yes. Otherwise, because I know he had already played 2 of them, but one was a gift, so he has another one. So he can easily go through those. Easily, I mean not easily, but he can do.
by my
He's killing this.
say. Hear the call of
I can
Shaman.
copy him and heal him myself. Wow, this can be game changer. This can really be a game changer. I can heal myself up of 6. You take a super risk here. I don't care if you're killing the Sakuras. Not too much at least. Four hits on do you think around us? Okay.
Well, looking for a standoff? Careful, it's against me.
Raise fell. A new planet to burn.
One against Mage and Shaman in a row. Okay.